In a world where amazing things happen every day, waking up to a life where ordinary things are replaced by extraordinary ones is the norm. A morning where your car can fly, and your best friend is a friendly robot. A reality where time is not just a straight line, but a place for your adventures, and distance is no longer a problem. Welcome to 2050, where life is filled with incredible inventions, and every moment is like a new adventure. This is not just a journey, it's the future calling you. So let's start the journey. Number 10. Futuristic cars. Imagine zooming through the sky in a car that flies like a bird, breaking the rules of the road. Future cars won't just stay on the ground, they'll have wings and powerful propellers, like helicopters. This will change how we travel. No more getting stuck in traffic or waiting at red lights. Instead, you'll smoothly glide above it all, watching cities get smaller below as you quickly head to where you want to go. It's like having a highway in the sky, making the journey as exciting as reaching your destination. Number 9. Robots as a friend. Now you use robots for work, but in 2050, they'll be much more than just tools. Imagine robots becoming our close friends, not just machines. They'll help us with chores, play games with us, and make us laugh with their jokes. They'll turn boring tasks into fun adventures, making every day exciting. Picture waking up to your robot friend, ready to start the day together, full of loyalty and warmth. In the future, robots won't just assist us, they'll be like superheroes, making life easier, happier, and way more fun. Number 8. Time travel. You might want to travel to the past or future, but that's not possible now. In the future, though, it could be real. Having the ability to travel through time means going back to ancient times or seeing what the future holds. You could be with the dinosaurs, watching them roam, or looking far ahead to see what mysteries lie ahead. Time travel isn't just an idea, it's a way to explore endlessly, opening doors to the secrets of old and new worlds. Number 7. Teleportation. Ever wished you could be in two places at the same time? Well, get ready because in the future, something mind-blowing might happen. Teleportation. Imagine disappearing from one spot and instantly showing up somewhere else. It's amazing. Want to see friends on the other side of the world? No problem. Feel like having an adventure far away? Easy peasy. Teleportation isn't just something from the future. It's like having superpowers. It changes everything, making travel and distance seem like no big deal. Just think about all the time you'll save and the cool places you can go, all with just a thought. So, get ready for some incredible journeys. In the future, the whole world will be like a giant playground, and teleportation will be your ticket to endless fun. Number 6. Supercomputers. In the future, we'll rely on technology more than ever. Supercomputers will be way more powerful than what we have now. By 2050, we'll make artificial brains using nanotechnology. These brains will connect with our minds through brain-computer interface. This will help us solve really tough problems. Think of a world where we can solve any problem easily, all because of how well humans and technology work together. Using these artificial brains, we'll dive into tons of knowledge and new ideas with amazing accuracy. It's a future where it's hard to tell where human thinking ends and computer thinking begins. This opens up endless new possibilities for us. Number 5. 3D print technology. In 2050, 3D printing will change everything. You won't believe what's possible. Imagine this. You can make anything you want just by clicking a button. It's like magic. Your computer will find designs online and turn them into real things in no time. Parts and objects will come out of 3D printers super fast. And guess what? It's not just small stuff. Big structures and even weapons will be easy to make. This future is all about being creative. There are no limits to what we can imagine. Get ready for a world where dreams come true in an instant, where we're always inventing new things, and where what seems impossible today is normal tomorrow. Number 4. Digital immortality. In 2050, humanity will face an incredible challenge, beating death itself. Even though our bodies have flaws, our minds will stay safe. Picture a future where our brains are connected to computers, storing our thoughts like important files, ready to access whenever we need. Medical progress will change how long we live, making sure nobody under 80 dies from old age. Thanks to technology, diseases like cancer will become rare. One vaccine will cure all illnesses, and we'll get medical updates straight to our phones. With a tap, we'll send our health information to doctors and get treated without leaving home. It's a future where life and technology mix, giving us the amazing gift of living forever. Number 3. Genetic engineering. Have you ever thought about designers? They're like magicians who make beautiful things out of nothing, like amazing clothes and cool toys. But get ready, because in the future, scientists will take designing to a whole new level. Imagine this, being able to create not just things, but living creatures too. Think about plants that glow in strange colors, animals with superpowers, and maybe even new kinds of people. It's like having superpowers yourself, able to make anything you can think of come to life. With this amazing technology, there are no limits to what we can create. Number 2. Dream recording. What if you had the power to capture your dreams and watch them like movies? What if you could do this because of new brain technology? With just a switch, you could go back into your dreams and see them clearly. But that's not all. You could study your dreams to understand what they mean and learn about yourself. And guess what? You could also share these dream movies with others, so they can see what's in your head too. It's a whole new way to have fun and learn about yourself, letting you see deep into your own thoughts and wishes. Number 1. Bioluminescent trees. In the future, cities will shine with glowing trees instead of street lamps. These special trees will light up parks and streets, making cities look magical. Picture walking in a park at night, surrounded by the soft glow from these living trees. Each step feels like you're in a fairy tale world. These glowing trees won't just light up the city, they'll also make it feel magical and amazing, turning boring streets into enchanting places to explore. As we draw the curtain on this glimpse into 2050, let's carry with us the spark of imagination that has been ignited. In a world where dreams are woven into the fabric of reality, the future is an open book, waiting for us to write its chapters. So, as you step back into the present, remember that the marvels we've envisioned are not just fantasies, they are beacons of possibility, guiding us toward a horizon brimming with potential. Until we meet again, keep dreaming, keep innovating, and keep shaping the world of tomorrow.